The unit circle with some target values at pi over 12 intervals is shown. 3 of the statements are true, 1 is false. Identify the false statement. Sine of 45 degrees is greater than sine of pi over 6. This is true. So 45 degrees is pi over 4 radians, and the sine, which is the length of this red line here, is greater than the sine of pi over 6, which is the length of the blue line. So this has a value of the square root of 2 over 2. Sine of pi over 6 is half. So square root of 2 over 2 is about equal to 0.707. 0.707 is greater than 0.5, so this is true. Here we have sine of pi over 4 squared equals sine of pi over 6. Pi over 4 is 45 degrees. The sine of pi over 4 is 0.707, or the square root of 2 over 2. So if we square that, that is 2 over 4, which is 0.5. Sine of pi over 6 is also 0.5, so this is true. Here we have the sine of 5 pi over 12, which is about 0.9, is greater than the sine of pi over 6, which is 0.5. 0.9 is greater than 0.5, so this is true. Here we have sine of pi over 3, so this is 0.866 times 2 is less than sine of pi over 6, so no, this is false. So 0.866 times 2 is going to be over 1, and this says that it's less than 0.5, so the answer here is D.